Hi everyone, welcome back to another day in the life vlog. Today is the 2nd of November, Saturday. Forgot what day we were on. I am just collecting all the Halloween bits up because I'm putting Halloween away now, including all the autumn bits as well. I'm gonna have a clean slate ready for Christmas, so I'm gonna have a month with no decorations. And then it'll be a month's time when we put up our Christmas ones. That's exciting. It will give me a chance to get to all the displays, to give them a good clean and a dust, because yeah, it's very dusty around here in this house. So I'm going to get rid of all the decorations and then give it a good old clean and a dust. So that's the plan. I'm just like looking around the house. I mean, there's a pumpkin there that I need to move. Mr. Pumpkin. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So that's one box filled. Just need to get the other box from the cupboard. So Mark's going to go under there and get it for me. And then over here we've got a bunch of pumpkins and stuff. Bye-bye. Turn you off. There we go. A few more bits can fit in this box. Anyway, that's the plan. Remove all the ooh, Mark's inhaler just dropped it on the floor. Yeah, remove all the Halloween stuff and get prepared for Christmas decorations. They won't be going up for quite some time though. It'll be another month before they go up. So, thank you. That was too short to... Do you think you could get the other box? It's like in the cupboard. It's not far back. I think it's just under the Christmas one. Anyway, gonna continue this job. So there we go. All the Halloween bits in the box. Now I'm gonna do some dusting. Empty. I'm gonna light this candle though and get this completely burnt over the next month. I've got loads of candles in the boxes. I don't need any more. Thought I'd buy a new one every year instead of keeping them. So yeah, I'm gonna light this. But yeah, empty. I'm gonna dust this off. It's not too bad, but I'm gonna dust it off, and then I'm gonna put my plants back down onto this. We're moving all the Christmas stuff to the front. Yay! Christmas box. All the Christmas stuff is moving to the front because it's the next one. Yay! Hi everyone, it's a bit later now. We're just on our way out in a minute to Sainsbury's because Oscar needs new shoes. His school shoes have broken, so we need to pop out to Sainsbury's to get him some. I also need some snacks, that's why I picked Sainsbury's. Tonight we're going to a firework display for Bonfire night. Yeah, so we need some like snacks to take with us. I thought of getting some like popcorn and some sweets for the kids, and some drinks and stuff to take with us. So yeah, need to go and pop into Sainsbury's, so that's where we're off to. And then we need to pick up Oscar because he's staying at my dad's house with Oliver and Joshua. So I need to pick him up. Oliver's not coming to the firework display because he absolutely hates fireworks, so he's not coming. It's just Alfie and Oscar that's coming with us. It's down at Boltley Sands. I haven't been to the firework display down there for absolute years.
I've never been. I wanted to go, but I just saw from the little bridge on the hill.
Oh yeah, you've...
From there once, years and years ago. I've actually been.
I've been a couple of times, and my cousin's house overlooks that old house overlooks that field. So when I was young, we used to just look out of the window, because literally behind was the field that they put the fireworks out. So sometimes we just didn't bother going and just looked out the window at them, but they were like literally right there. Anyway, I go off on a tangent. We're going to Sainsbury's, so I thought of, you know, getting some sweets, popcorn, some drinks, and just taking a bag with us instead of buying stuff there. Because it opens at 6, so we'll be there for 6, and it ends at 8. So I thought, standing out in the cold, it'd be nice to take some drinks and some snacks with us. So I haven't been to a firework display in years. The last time I went was probably when I was about 18, 19, something like that. I went to the castle one. They don't do the ones at the castle anymore, I don't think. Yeah, so that's the last time I went, I mean, years ago, 20 years ago, something like that. But I thought I'd take the kids because they've never been to one before. If you don't know what Bonfire Night is, if you don't live in the UK, Bonfire Night is it's a random celebration of well, there's loads of different names for Bonfire Night. There's Guy Fawkes Night, isn't there? Bonfire Night, Firework Night. It's a celebration of the foiled attempt to kill the king in, is it 1605? I think it was 1605. A group of terrorists, basically, with Catholics, put gunpowder under the Houses of Parliament and got caught, and then yeah, they were done for treason, and then basically hung, drawn and quartered. But yeah, we sort of celebrate that. It's a bit weird. It's a bit weird how we celebrate it. We like set off fireworks, and it's sort of like a representation of what would have happened if they were successful in their attempted assassination of the king, basically. But yeah, years ago when I was a kid, they used to make dolls of Guy Fawkes, which is probably one of the most notable members of this group that tried to kill the king, basically. Yeah, they used to make dolls of him that were flammable, basically, like out of flammable materials. And they used to say, like, penny for the guy. I never see this anymore. So kids used to just sit on the street and have this doll, and you used to give them money, and they used to say penny for the guy. You used to give them money, and then they used to like collect all the money, and then they would put their doll on the bonfire and light him. It's a bit gruesome. It was obviously a doll, but it's sort of gruesome how we celebrate this random day by burning Guy Fawkes and setting off loads of fireworks in representation of what would have happened if they'd have blown up the Houses of Parliament. I find it very strange. It's a very strange celebration. It's not like a holiday like you would have in America. It's sort of like, it's just a normal day, but the 5th of November we celebrate that and set off lots of fireworks. So it's a bit random, but there you are. So we're going to a firework display with a bonfire. Let's hope that Guy Fawkes is on top of it, because it's very old-fashioned. That I've not seen it for, honestly, since I was a kid. If anybody has seen this in the UK, whatever happened to penny for a guy? Is it penny for a guy?
I've never heard anybody say that ever.
You've never heard anybody say that? Please don't tell me I'm like dreaming this. People in the comments tell me, have you, does that exist? Because I'm pretty sure it happened when I was a kid. And do you ever see it nowadays? I mean, it's a bit gruesome. Like, they make these dolls and then they burn it. It's a bit mad. Anyway, it's representing Guy Fawkes, who, I don't know why he's the most notable of the group. He wasn't like the leader of this group, I don't think, but he's the most notable. Very gruesome past. England's past is gruesome, to say the least. But yeah, that's what we're celebrating today. Guy Fawkes Night, Bonfire Night, Firework Night, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, that went on a tangent. I didn't expect to tell you about Bonfire Night, but I just realised that some of my viewers are not in the UK or have never lived in the UK, probably don't know anything about Bonfire Night. But that's what we're celebrating tonight, although it's 3 days early. It's usually the 5th, but it's Saturday, so a lot of firework displays go on tonight and next weekend. Anyway, I'm gonna go to Sainsbury's, get these shoes, get some snacks for our little bonfire night, and yeah, and then we need to pick up Oscar from my dad's house, and then we need to find parking. So we're gonna have to set off a little bit early, probably about 5ish, try and find parking and just sit in the car for like half an hour, then walk in to Boltley Sands, and then yeah, my spins on my washing machine, if you can hear that in the background. Anyway, I will see you in a bit. I've been talking for like 5-6 minutes now, so I'll see you in a bit. Right, we've been to Sainsbury's, we got what we needed. I got some hot food as well. We don't have anything in really for lunch, so yeah, we got some snacks, some popcorn, Pringles, some drinks, things like that. So we're on our way home now. So we got back home. I'll show you Oscar's shoes. They're really nice, aren't they? The blue, like a navy blue. Very cute. Those are just for, because he's grown out of his trainers. So I bought them, but I couldn't find any school shoes whatsoever. So I'm going to go out tomorrow to Asda first, and then if not, I'll go into Lancaster and get him some shoes from Lancaster. We also got some sea salted popcorn, and for Alfie some sweet popcorn, and for Mark some Pringles. Well, we can all share them. It's not necessarily just for each person, but Alfie doesn't like salted, but Oscar does. Mark doesn't like popcorn, so he's just got some Pringles. And we also got, Alfie, your sausage rolls here, love. Got 2 sausage rolls, and I got a bacon and cheese turnover for lunch. Right, so Mark's going to put all the snacks in this bag and carry it, because I'm just going to have a small handbag with my camera in and stuff. I put these eyeballs and pumpkins, chocolates in there too, because they need to be eaten. Right, so we're in Boltley Sands. It's really creepy in Boltley Sands. It's a proper creepy village. I've always found it very creepy. My cousins used to live here, behind a graveyard and a big church. Very scary stuff around here. It's always creeped me out. Anyway, I'll show you when I'm walking to the firework display. Anyway, we're here. We're a little bit early. We're just gonna sit here for 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna walk into the village. everyone, we got back from the bonfire. It was really good. The fireworks were really good. How long did they go on for? Like 25 minutes?
12 minutes, half an hour.
They were really, really long, and they were really big fireworks tonight. Alfie didn't like it.
It was awful.
Yeah.
He turns around to me when
Guys, I did this for half an hour.
Yeah, he really didn't like it. Yeah, and they lit the bonfire. That was really cool. That's the best thing about going to the actual displays instead of like watching it from afar, that you get the atmosphere and the fire and the right above your head, and it's great stuff. Anyway, Alfie didn't like it. Oscar loved them. He moaned and moaned. He didn't want to go. He was like, I don't want to go to the firework display. And then he like really enjoyed them. So Mark got some donuts and Oscar got some candy floss and some light up one things. So yeah, nice evening out, but I'm feeling really, really tired now. I've gone really tired. And Boltley Sands is always really eerie and scary. I do like Boltley Sands though. I love all the little cottages. When we're old, I want one of those cottages, because they're really sweet. I love old houses and things. So anyway, I'm hungry as well, because we haven't had any dinner. Oscar's gone back to my dad's to see Josh and Oliver. So he's having his dinner. He was having his dinner there, and yeah, we have to have our dinner. It's like 8:30. Late dinner tonight. Anyway, I'm going to sit here, possibly edit the vlog, and just chill out for the rest of Saturday night. There's lots of fireworks going off outside. Maisie was fine. She's not really bothered about fireworks. I was just worried because we weren't here. But she seems fine. The fireworks going off now. She's not bothered. She's having her dinner, so she's happy. Anyway, I'll just shut this because it shines on my glasses. Yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here for today. So thanks for joining me again for this little day in the life video. And I will see you again for another video really soon. I don't have a plan for my vlogs over November, because I did daily vlogs all September and October. I'm going to have a little bit of a rest, but not... I'm just going to do daily vlogs, but not daily. So I'll just do a vlog whenever I can, basically. And then it'll be back to daily vlogging for Vlogmas. So that'll be a month's time. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.